Hey, pretty birds. Woo. Woohoo.
Birdies.
Hey, silly birds. Hey, silly birds.
Watch finger.
Pretty birds.
Aww.
Pretty birds. Uh-oh. Robert, get out of the camera. Jerk.
He's an idiot. What do you expect?
Who's that?
I want some fame too.
Oh, they're all up there now.
Now one of them was never one of my
Woo hoo hoo.
Come on, Odin.
Why don't you supposed to give Aunt Linda one of these?
That was before Loki died. Now I've got an even number. Got to keep them even. Three's company with lovebirds just doesn't work. Oh! Oh!
What in the world?
Who we got? Let's see, this is Odin.
Oh, there's
Odin and what did we name the other one?
Thor.
Thor.
How can you not remember Thor? He was one of him and
Because everybody talks about Odin.
Because Odin's the cool one.
They're both cool, Robert.
Where's oh, is he getting you? Is he nibbling?
Mm-hmm.
Where's he at? Let me get him on the camera here. There he is.
Come here, come here.
And this is Odin.
And there's Thor.
He's one of the babies. Thor's not as social.
Yeah, but he does nibble on fingers sometimes.
He also bites.
They both.
That's Odin. That's why you give Odin your knuckle.
Hey, pretty bird.
They're not as gentle as these guys. These
Hey,
guys are
pretty
gentle.
bird. Oh, what have I got?
Odin doesn't usually
What have I
bite
got?
knuckles.
Huh? What have I got?
I love bird.
Why do you want my knuckles so much?
Hey, pretty bird. Ooh, look at you. Look at you, baby. Ooh. Come on, focus.
Haha.
He loves birds just now.
Almost. Almost.
Nobody's fighting over the swing. Oh, there's the other one back there. There he is. Hey, pretty bird.
No one finger. 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 Bye bye.
Ooh. What? What?
I win.
What, pretty bird?
Bye.
Pretty bird.
Come on, squeak. Hello, buddy.
And here's the parakeets. They don't do much. But
They're boring.
they sing.
That's all they.
Where are they at? They're all...
They don't sing, they squawk.
What's up with this one?
She's resting. She's just resting her foot.
Oh,
She's fine.
I thought she was dying.
That's Alexis, right?
Yep.
There's Alexis.
There's no name all the way to the cage.
Yeah, he's over there. Can't hardly see him. He's down. The bars just kind of make things hard to... There we go.
There's Fussy.
And there's the little piglets down here in the food bowl. They
Oh,
eat constantly. It's too dark to get finches, I think.
Hello.
Yeah, too dark. I'll have to get a backlight. I can't get them.